good day everybody. It's not a very good day. Look at this weather. Horrendous. And this morning we're roading in the snow, and I did a video about that, so I hopefully would have uploaded it already and edited it. So this is just a journey on the way back, and thought we'd have a little conversation. Well, me talking at you, not really a conversation, but do feel free to comment below and tell me all about this subject. And the subject I want to bring along to this vlog, shall we say, is road rage. Is road rage worth it? What's the point? I can't actually remember ever getting into a serious bout of road rage, even shouting at someone or making a gesture from my car. It's just, there's just no point. And I think maybe that's because I've always, my first license, my pass, was on a bike and not in a car. And I think you learn to ignore it all, because you also learn that as soon as that red mist comes down, as soon as your concentration goes, something's going to happen. Whether you're in a car, whether you're on a bike, it's just not worth it. That's just my opinion. But whenever you see these people get in these situations, it just ends up worse for you. Whether your road rage is, or your rage or your anger is directed at somebody that's at fault, or you're at fault, or whatever, ignore it. Drive away. Get on your bike, leave. Because you can end up really hurting yourself or hurting someone else. It's just no point. It just creates more of a problem for you. It never resolves anything. Honestly, someone in front of me could do the most stupid thing. They could put my whole life at risk, and it could be completely their fault, totally obviously their fault. I'll just turn a blind eye to it and drive on, ride on. There's no way I'm gonna get in a situation that I've managed to avoid having an accident in, that could result in me being at fault and having an accident because of road rage. It ain't worth it. So in a situation where someone does something really stupid, you know, so for example, like, you know, I've given this car plenty of space in front of me. They could all of a sudden brake, and I could end up very closely coming a cropper, hitting them, or whatever. Or, you know, someone could pull out in front of me. Anything like that, I will just carry on with my day. The reason I do this is because if you get into a situation where that happens to you, and you get angry, and you end up chasing that person down, or doing stupid things, gesturing at them, knocking their wing mirror off, getting off your bike and giving them grief, your concentration is nowhere near what it should be at that stage. You're focused on one thing. You're focused on getting back, getting revenge at that person. And in that scenario, you go from being in the right to in the wrong, because you're bringing that attention back on you. And if you do something stupid or you have an accident, it's your fault. It's no one else's. There's no point in being angry at anybody on the road. Whether they're in the wrong, whether they're in the right, or you're in the wrong. If you're in the wrong, then apologise. Be apologetic. Say sorry. All that people are looking for is my fault, my fault. That's all you got to do. Put your hand up. My fault. I'm sorry. Don't make it escalate, because you're going to put yourself in a worse position. There is just no reason for it. Drive and ride defensively, ride like you're the only person on the road, and ride like everyone's trying to kill you. Drive like everyone's trying to kill you. Expect people to be stupid. You will be far less angry. Trust me. It's just what it is. What do you think? Do you get road rage? I'm not going to judge you if you do, and please don't feel like you can't comment. And what triggers you? What makes you get angry? Or are you like me? Let bygones be bygones. Move on. You know, I'm still alive. They're still alive. Everyone's happy. Comment below and let me know. I want to see those comments. I want to see those comments. Because it's interesting. I do find it quite interesting when people get... I watch these videos on YouTube, I think we all do. The rage that people have for each other on the road is like nothing I've ever seen, really. You don't... You know... Is it because we're so stressed out on the road? Is it because we're just so pent up? You know... Someone pulls out in front of you or cuts you up a bit on a roundabout or whatever. If you're still driving, if there's no damage to your vehicle and if you're okay, what's the problem? Do you really need to let that person know that they are in the wrong so badly that it puts you at risk, even more so than it did before? Does it? I don't know. I don't think so. Anyway, I'm going to end this little video here. Very short one. I just want to see what you guys think. What's your view on road rage? Let me know in the comments. In the meantime, if you haven't done so already, please hit that like button. I really appreciate a like. Give me a subscribe. Comment below. And I'll see you on the next video at Tom's TC. Bye.